So I'm going to be talking about how to weave in ends with cotton yarn. And of course, cotton yarn needs to be treated differently than wool because the fiber doesn't stick to itself and the cotton yarn can come undone. So here's my little tiny swatch that I made, and here's where I cast on and here's where I bound off. So I threaded my tail onto a tapestry needle. I'm going to flip it over so that the wrong side is showing. And I would just go in here and find a little edge that I can go into. And you see how I kind of squared up that corner by bringing my working yarn through there? You can do that too with yours. And then I would just go down this little edge right here. Okay. What I'm trying to do is get away from that corner. Okay. Then what I want to do is I want to get one. I'm going to take these plies first. Let's see if I can take the plies first. And you can split the plies in half by taking your tapestry needle and kind of opening that yarn up. And since this is a 6-ply, I'm just grabbing 3 strands each, and then I put it back onto the tapestry needle with half the plies on one side, and half the plies I'm just going to leave there for a second. Okay? Then I would thread it on there. And I want to go 1/2 stitch away. I want to get out from underneath that yarn there. And then go 1/2 stitch away from that other yarn, the other half of the strand that I have there, right? So then I have, let me show you, I have 1/2 stitch on one side of the purl bump and 1/2 of the working yarn on the other side, right there. And then I would just tie a knot so the right hand side goes over, and then I would even switch hands and do another knot. And you can split the plies again and go down further and tie another knot if you wanted, or you can just simply grab your scissors and find the ends of that yarn and just cut it off really close to the edge. And then you have your yarn woven in, and it won't come apart, and that's one way to deal with the ends with cotton yarn. So give that a go and see if that works for you.